Hi, my name is Joshua Rodriguez. Today we'll talk little about what is Amy Fried. Amy Fried, there are sauces, cheese, and we also have a variety or red meats, fish. There are also many vegetables and fruit, and what is never lacking are beans. Wheat is my favorite food. My favorite food and is tacos, sushi, and mole. Is a love. What is the best place in it? The best place in it is El Caminero. Is the best place to eat tacos because the service is too good, and the best train it is that there are enough favorite waters. This short video, but you already know a little more about me. Thanks and see you next me. Bye.